Well, anybody that has a fence that runs across a creek like this knows that you have trouble, with the fence getting stopped up with leaves and stuff like that, and then the water trying to push it over. And you can see, over here on the sides, there's leaves that have accumulated up about 2 feet or something like that, and that's enough pressure to push the fence over. And years ago I had just a regular field fence across here, and I replaced it with more fence posts and some cattle panels, and I've got a steel cable that runs across the top of that goes between 2 trees, and that provides quite a bit of reinforcement to it, but I'm still having issues with it trying to get pushed over. So you can see where I've cleared it out right here to let the water run. And so what I'm going to do now is, in this space right here, I'm going to create an opening where when the water builds up, it can push out and release that water. First thing I'm going to do is try to clear some more of that debris off the fence. Alright, so you can see those 2 posts are leaning back. So the first thing I'm going to do is drive a couple of posts in there to support those and pull them back. And I'm going to wire a piece of fence post across the bottom of it so that if the fence starts leaning again, it can't push the post farther down in there. So that's got this piece of the fence hinge up here, and then when enough water pressure builds up on this, it'll push this wire right here. It's thin wire and it's just got a couple of twists in it, and it should push it out and pop it free, let the water out, and then afterwards I'll have to come back probably and clear the debris and put the fence back in place and tighten it down. We don't get a whole lot of rain that actually comes washing through here. It gives me this problem, but when we do, we can get enough water through here to actually lay this fence over. So this is just kind of a safety valve to fix that. Okay, so I hope maybe that gives you some ideas on how